What if I told you there is one thing you can do right now that could substantially improve your health and your future? Curious? Good. Skeptical? Great. Here's the answer. Get more whole food nutrients into your cells. How do you do that? Eat better? Well, yeah, absolutely we need to eat better. Many of us try. But there's more to it than that. Studies say that eating as healthy as you can, it isn't enough. This study. And this study. And even this one. We have to go beyond the nutrition on our plates and supplement our diet. Do you take supplements? Do you trust supplements? Do you have a cabinet full of supplements and wonder, are they even working? Are they absorbing? Is there something that you're missing? Or more importantly, could they actually be harming you? Over 75% of us take dietary supplements, and guess what? It's not helping. We're still getting sicker. Chronic disease is still on the rise. So here's the question. Is it important to take vitamins and supplements, or is it important, along with a healthy lifestyle, to take in true whole food nutrients that have been clinically proven to help restore cellular function, bridge critical dietary gaps, and reverse the root causes that can lead to major health problems such as inflammation, which, by the way, is the main cause for most diseases like these? And is it also important to boost immunity? So let's review. You want to improve your health. Leading doctors, scientists, and studies say that we're lacking proper nutrition. And the multi-billion-dollar supplement industry is bombarding you with confusing options and big unsubstantiated promises. No wonder you're skeptical. As a smart consumer who cares about your health, you should be. So what do? Tighten your criteria and start with credible science and whole food nutrition. Before you buy one more supplement, here's a checklist of 5 key criteria. Number 1, whole food. Are the nutrients just natural? You know, sheep wool, algae, duck feathers. Yeah, all that stuff and more is used by other companies. Probably not the type of natural you want to put in your body. Or are the nutrients in the products derived from real whole foods found in the human food chain? Are they grown, sourced, and developed with the highest known organic and non-GMO standards, sustainably, and most importantly, nutritionally effective? Number 2, credible science. Okay, this is where you get to be a super consumer. There are lots of products that are claiming to be tested for purity, clinically researched, clinical grade, doctor recommended, even claiming to be clinically tested. But that doesn't mean that the actual product with those specific ingredients underwent an independent, third-party clinical study on an actual population with evidence-based outcomes. And then, were those studies published in respected medical journals that have rigorous, independent peer reviews, and not just pay-to-play journals that have impressive-sounding names? Number 3, integrity. Red flags, lawsuits, dangerous warning labels, and alarming reviews. If these exist, then there's probably an issue with either the integrity or the competency of the company. So what's the goal of the company? Is it to truly help people end the trend of chronic sickness and disease, or is it to simply capitalize on a fad in the rapidly growing supplement industry? Does the company maintain a third-party pharmaceutical drug license? And is the company registered with the FDA and operating under their regulation? Is there oversight to ensure that what's on the label is actually in the product, which, by the way, is not required for supplement manufacturers? It is a choice of integrity. Number 4, longevity. Do you know the origin story? And do they still hold to the same values today? How long have they been around? Are they privately owned? Or are they publicly traded and seem to care more about stock prices than product quality? What do people say about their experience with a company and their products after 10 or 20, or better yet, 60 years of use? Do they have a high rating with the Better Business Bureau? Number 5, a guarantee. If a company truly has confidence in their products and the benefits they provide, they will offer a money-back guarantee, and they will seek to serve the community by offering outstanding customer care. We hope these 5 criteria will empower you to be a more informed consumer. We'd like the opportunity to introduce you to the only company that I know of that meets and exceeds all 5 criteria. and you've probably never heard of it. They started more than 60 years ago with a clinical hospital study using a breakthrough product that was proven effective at the cellular level. Wouldn't you want to get up to 50% greater nutrition utilization from your foods? Listen, you can spend hundreds on healthy foods each month, but if your cells aren't functioning properly to receive those nutrients, then you might be wasting a lot of money. This is important because who wouldn't want to use up to 50% more nutrition from their food? This company's reputation for scientific excellence is so well established that their products have been used by researchers from the CDC, USDA, just to name a few. They are known in over 50 countries globally. They aren't interested in just closing a deal or only selling a product. They are committed to improving your cellular health through clinically proven whole food nutrition. They are a socially responsible company on a mission to make the world a healthier and happier place through superior quality whole food nutrition, organic skincare, and healthy living home products. If you or someone you know would like to take a deeper dive into this company, their products, and the clinical results proving that they actually work, then please contact the person who shared this with you. Still skeptical? All of these people were too.
I was a mess. I was 100 pounds overweight. I had IBS. I had high blood pressure.
I had severe hormonal dysfunction and everything else that follows that, which is depression, cystic acne.
If somebody got something, I got it. It didn't matter if it was a cold, a bug, a flu, whatever.
I had deep, deep depression, crippling, debilitating anxiety, panic attacks, and became suicidal.
I struggled with adrenal fatigue, hair loss, leaky gut, and a hyperactive thyroid.
I still just had this lack of energy that was just exhausting.
I experienced, like many other women, menopause. Entered into menopause, gained weight, had my cholesterol jump through the roof, and felt terrible.
My blood sugar, the very first time I ever checked it, was 550.
For probably 20 plus years, I was dealing with acid reflux and GERD.
I didn't want to spend any money on myself that had to do with health. I didn't think I needed it.
I had never taken a vitamin, a supplement, or anything of that sort before.
I was skeptical because I had tried so many other things.
The psychiatrist had me on 4 medications, which did not appear to be helping at all.
I tried medical doctors, I tried naturopaths, I spent thousands of dollars a month on supplements, and nothing worked.
I had never really thought a whole lot about the supplements that I was putting into my body.
My fasting blood sugars were always 350, sometimes they were over 400. I wanted to put this product to the test because I was a big skeptic.
I have lost 100 pounds. I have gotten off my blood pressure medicine. I can run, I can lift, I can work, I can play with my family, and be active with my kids.
2 years later, I have not had an ovarian cyst since then. I have lost 20 pounds. These products have definitely changed my life.
I feel like I have one of the most robust immune systems of anybody on the planet. And I don't suffer from all of the things that as a 50-year-old, my buddies, my colleagues are on. I'm on 0 prescription medications and I have one of the healthiest lifestyles I feel like anybody can have.
I'm delighted to be off the meds since they say right on them that they can cause depression, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts.
My adrenal fatigue is completely gone. I've had 3 babies in 3 years, healthy pregnancies, textbook labors, and I have so much energy.
I feel better now than I did 10 years ago and feel like I'm reversing the signs of aging.
My cholesterol dropped 48 points. I lost the weight that I had put on, but the best part was feeling well.
My fasting blood sugars that were, 350 to 400 sometimes, 146 in one day. I haven't been able to have a controlled blood sugar in 8 years. 30 days later, I found out that I had lost 10 pounds and I cut the amount of insulin I use in half. I'm feeling great, I'm losing weight. My blood sugars are in complete control.
It has improved everything for me in the sense of I don't have the acid reflux. I am a skeptic when it comes to a lot of these things, but I am staying with this product because it has made a difference for me.
So, it's amazing what your body can do when it's given the correct nutrients.